As you can see, I am out here with the hatch. What's up, guys? Welcome to Retro Kids, and today I'll be doing the exhaust video for the hatch. I meant to do this like the first time we got it. I meant to do the video when we first got it done, but like I did do it, but some of the content, wow, the content. Some of the footage got corrupted, or dude, I don't even know what happened. Like, it just didn't let me access it. So I'm gonna redo it today. As you can see, the Mustang has been wrapped up. You know what I'm saying? In all its glory, it's wrapped up for the time being. But I will crank it up real quick. It does sound mean. I don't like the exhaust tip, but I just wanted to get everything taken off. Right now, I have a few codes popping up because of the cat or the O2 sensor, but it's a Volkswagen, bro. We should be straight. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Hold on, it's because the camera. Oh wait, nope. Yeah, you can't see it. That's like it's the check engine light. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go for a ride to see if you guys can hear it through the car. You should be able to. But when I was revving it, I did like hear something weird, so I gotta go for a test drive anyways. All right, there we go. I hope you guys can hear this, cause oh no. I hope that camera, I hope it stays up. Hopefully I might be able to see it now. It's like right there at the end of the, kinda, you can't really see it, but it's there. Honestly though, I mean, it drives alright, like. I just don't know what happened. I'll check when I get home though. I mean, it drives okay, like I had no trouble like starting it up or nothing. But it might be just something with the cat, I don't know. It sounds like it. Overall, it wasn't too bad. Hopefully, like, I'll get like other videos done about the car. But until then, I have to look at that check engine light. Hopefully it's not nothing serious. I just gotta like replace the cat or something, or just get like an O2 sensor changed. I ain't gonna worry about it low key. I will be making more videos for this car, hopefully, when I get the time. Hopefully, and I will start back making videos for the Mustang as well. But until then, if you have, wait a minute, how would I, bro, it's been like so. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully, I know there's some stuff coming up and I will document that. So see you later, guys.